Hey guys, let's be honest for a second. We all love a glam moment. The lashes, the glow, the full beat. But you know what feels even better than having the perfect makeup look? Waking up, looking in the mirror, and actually loving your skin. Bare-faced, no filter, no concealer. Just you and your natural glow. Now let me be super real with you. My skin has not always looked like this. It's taken months of trial and error, breakouts, skin barrier damage, post-acne marks, oiliness, you name it, I've had it. But I finally found what works for me, and today I'm going to share everything. My step-by-step routine, my holy grail products, the habits I changed, and how I use skincare as self-care to feel confident without makeup. And the best part, everything I use can be found on Yes Style, who I want to thank for sponsoring this video. I've been shopping from Yes Style for years because they carry all the amazing K-Beauty and J-Beauty brands that are super hard to find elsewhere. Plus, you can use my code GLOWWITHME12 to get a little discount off your order because I got you. All right. Let's get into the routine. Because clear, glowing skin, it's not magic. It's just consistency, education, and choosing the right products. Morning skincare routine. 1. Gentle cleanse, not strip. First thing in the morning, I keep it light and gentle. I used to think I needed something strong to wake up my face, but all that did was destroy my skin barrier and make my face produce more oil. My current favorite cleanser is from Anua, specifically formulated for sensitive, acne-prone skin. It has BHA to clean deep in your pores, but doesn't dry me out. My skin feels clean but still bouncy. Remember, oily skin isn't a reason to go harsh. Your skin needs balance, not war. 2. Hydration layer, mist plus essence. After cleansing, I reach for hydration. And not just one product, layered hydration. I start with a fine mist to calm my skin and wake it up. Right now, I'm obsessed with this Essence Mist Hybrid from Beauty of Joseon. It's cooling, light, and gives me a dewy finish. Then I pat in a hydrating essence. If you've never used one before, this is your sign. Essences penetrate deeper than toners and prep your skin to absorb everything that comes next. My current favorite is the I'm from Mugwort Essence. Calming, soothing, and perfect if your skin's been through it like mine. 3. Brighten plus repair. Azelaic acid. Okay, this step is a game changer. Azelaic acid. If you've got post-acne marks, uneven skin tone, or dullness, you need this in your life. Azelaic acid is basically niacinamide's gentler, more effective cousin. It evens out my skin tone without irritating me. I've seen a noticeable difference in the red and dark marks on my cheeks since I added this. A few drops of this, and I'm golden. 4. Gua Sha. While skin is damp, I know Gua Sha is trendy now, but hear me out. When done right, it's transformative. I use a gua sha tool while my skin is still moist from my serum. This helps with lymphatic drainage, puffiness, and boosts circulation, which gives me that natural glow. I have a full gua sha tutorial linked in the description if you want to learn proper technique, because trust me, form matters. 5. Moisturizer. Barrier safe and lightweight. If I had to recommend one product from today's video, it would be this moisturizer. The Round Lab Docto Cream is my ride or die. It literally saved my skin barrier, lightweight gel texture, deeply hydrating, and doesn't clog my pores. For acne-prone babes with oily skin, you're gonna love this. Before, I used to avoid moisturizers in the morning because I was afraid of looking greasy. But skipping moisturizer just made my skin produce even more oil. With this one, I can apply it generously and feel balanced all day. 6. Eye care. No more melia. Now for the under eyes. I'm using the Isntree TW Real Eye Serum. And no, this is not sponsored by them. I just really love this product. It hydrates and firms without causing milia, those tiny white bumps you can get from heavy eye creams. I've used this every day for months and not one bump. 7. Sunscreen. Non-negotiable. Sunscreen is not optional. It's your anti-aging, anti-dark spot, anti-acne secret weapon. I use the Chung Seamer Tone Up Sun Base. It has a soft pink tint that evens out my tone and gives me that no makeup glow. They also have a green version if you have redness or rosacea. This sunscreen sits beautifully on the skin, no white cast, no piling. I literally look brighter right after applying it. Never skip sunscreen, even if you're staying indoors, even if it's cloudy. Nighttime skincare routine. Okay, let's talk about nighttime. This is when your skin repairs, so you want to give it all the nutrients it needs. 1. Double cleanse, oil. First, then foam. At night, you need to remove SPF and dirt. Even if you don't wear makeup, your skin picks up grime throughout the day. I use the Pore from Green Cleansing Oil to melt everything off. Sunscreen, oil, pollution. Then I go in with the Anua Cleanser, again to finish the job. 2. Exfoliate, 2 to 3 times a week. Chemical exfoliation changed my skin. No scrubs, no harsh brushes, just gentle acids that smooth out texture and fade dark spots. I alternate between mandelic acid and PHA toner pads from Neogen. These keep my pores clear without irritating my skin. Don't overdo this step. Start once a week and build up. 3. Niacinamide or retinol. Alternate days. On nights, I don't use azelaic acid. I switch between niacinamide serum. Helps with oil control, pores, and brightening. Gentle retinol cream for anti-aging, collagen, and texture. Yes Style has the Retinol 0.1 cream by Some by My, which is beginner-friendly and non-irritating. 4. Slugging or overnight mask. When my skin needs a boost, I seal everything in with a sleeping mask. The Lanesia Cica sleeping mask is perfect for this. It calms inflammation, boosts hydration, and helps repair overnight. Inner skin care. Habits that heal. Skincare isn't just what you put on your face, it's also what you do daily. Here are some habits that transformed my skin. Prioritize sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. Less sleep equals more inflammation and breakouts. I aim for 8 hours every night. No excuses. Stay hydrated. You can't expect your skin to glow if it's thirsty. I drink 2 to 3 liters of water a day and eat water-rich fruits like cucumber, watermelon, and oranges. De-stress. Daily stress causes hormonal acne, dullness, premature aging. I take time every day to just breathe, whether it's journaling, yoga, or just chilling in silence. Protecting your peace is protecting your glow. Gut-healthy foods. Your gut and your skin are connected. I eat probiotic-rich foods like kimchi, yogurt, and miso soup. I also limit dairy and sugar, which can trigger acne. Final thoughts. So that's my bare skin glow-up routine. No makeup needed. No 12-step crazy process. Just simple, consistent care with the right products. If your skin's been struggling, just know you are not alone, and it does get better. Stay consistent, stay gentle, and take care of yourself inside and out. Everything I talked about today is linked below, and don't forget to use my Yes Style code GLOWWITHME12 for a little discount on your skincare haul. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know your skin journey in the comments. I love hearing your stories, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, beautiful.